सो वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। सो आज मैं ऑन द स्पॉट हुआ है प्रोग्राम। तो हम लोग जाने वाले हैं आज ऑकलैंड में न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेट करने, देखते हैं कैसा है। सो आई होप अच्छा दिख रहा हूँ। सो सब दोस्त लोग का एकदम ऑल ऑफ अ सडन प्रोग्राम बन गया कि जाना है, नहीं तो ऐसा कोई प्रोग्राम नहीं था। सो अभी देखते हैं जाके, आपको दिखाता हूँ ऑकलैंड में कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। सब जन निकल गए प्रोग्राम के लिए। वहाँ जाना है अपने को, वहाँ पे सेलिब्रेट करने। वहाँ जा रहे हैं हम लोग सेलिब्रेट करने को। सब फुल। यहाँ पे आज बारिश भी बहुत गिरा है, देखते हैं कैसा होगा। साथ देना चाहिए जस्ट वेदर में। तो लाइक मोहम्मद आ गया अभी मिल रहा हूँ मैं मोहम्मद से। Yeah, come to Mohammed, man. I'm vlogging right now.
Okay.
Yeah, man. What's up, man? What's up?
How are you?
All good, man. All good. So from here we can see the view. Very nice.
Yeah.
It's very nice view. So it's very proper. We can at least we can shoot something.
Actually, I was like the area that I sent you.
Yeah.
Is just beside, like you have the same almost view, but like from further away.
Yeah.
And it's from like the sea.
हाँ.
So you have like.
रोहित और दिलीप भी आ गए उधर।
So that's why I'm processing now, or like working on the license so that I can.
So you're right now working on forklift license?
Not yet. Like I'm still working on the driving license itself.
Then
Only I'll apply for the.
it's easy or like how long it takes?
I don't think it's like it's only for 2-3 days, so I'm guessing it's very easy. Right?
Yep.
Yes.
Wait, that's right.
This is an American car.
I mean,
Is this a police car actually, or just like somebody who bought it?
I guess someone has bought it or imported it from there.
Yeah, and left it like as it is.
Yeah.
and they modified it.
Yeah.
Steering isn't right.
Because like the colors are different.
Steering.
Samuel, say hi to my vlog, man. Go fast, go. Come fast, run. We don't need that.
Fast pace.
Yeah. Come, Mohammed. Oh, fuck. हम लोग को मिस नहीं करना है। एक जगह मुझे पता है, वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे से होता है, एकदम क्लैरिटी मिलता है। They'll come. तो हम लोग पहले विल्सी स्ट्रीट पे थे, देन हॉब्सन, देन पता नहीं कहाँ से कीड़ा जगह मुझे। मैंने बोला यहाँ पे एक जगह है मुझे पता है, विनियार्ड क्वार्टर के। हाँ, और भाग के आए। हार्डली 12 मिनट्स रिमेनिंग फॉर 12। न्यू ईयर का सेलिब्रेशन वहाँ से ही देखना है। मिलते हैं वहाँ पे। 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Deadlines chasing time, lost in the future, obsessed with the next climb. But look right here beside us, just slow down and see the quiet, gentle magic that happens naturally. The way the light hits softly, the coffee's perfect steam, a scene too sweet for dreaming, better than any dream. Don't let the small things vanish, don't let them disappear. These are the quiet anchors that keep us steady here. Hold your breath just for a second, let the rush subside. We're living in beautiful moments, we have to freeze the frame. Tiny flash feeling in every single look. No need for grand pronouncements, no need for drama or noise. Just the pure shared existence, filling us with joys. A sudden favorite song playing on the radio. A gentle knowing glance, a quiet, peaceful glow. Don't let the small things vanish, don't let them disappear. These are the quiet anchors that keep us steady here. Hold your breath just for a second, let the rush subside. We're living in beautiful moments, we have to freeze the frame. Tiny flashes of perfection, worth more than fortune or fame. It's the unexpected laughter, the hand held in the rain, the sudden clear awareness that we won't pass this way again. These simple, honest treasures, we collect them one by one. These are the beautiful moments beneath the morning sun. They don't come wrapped in ribbons or delivered to your door. You have to actively seek them and ask for nothing more, because the true wealth of a lifetime isn't what you earn or spend. It's the memory of these moments that follow to the end. Just pause right here. Capture the beautiful moments before they turn to air. The world is rushing past us, chasing deadlines, chasing time. Lost in the future, obsessed with the next climb. But look right here beside us, just slow down and see the quiet, gentle magic that happens naturally. The way the light hits softly, the coffee's perfect steam. A scene too sweet for dreaming, better than any dream. Don't let the small things vanish, don't let them disappear. These are the quiet anchors that keep us steady here. Hold your breath just for a second, let the rush subside. We're living in beautiful moments, we have to freeze the frame. Tiny flashes of perfection, worth more than fortune or fame. It's the unexpected laughter, the hand held in the rain, the sudden clear awareness that we won't pass this way again. These simple, honest treasures, we collect them one by one. These are the beautiful moments beneath the morning sun. I remember sitting silently, just watching you.
Yeah. Happy New Year, bro. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, bro. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, bro. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Mohammed.
Happy New Year, buddy.
Happy New Year, Samuel. Happy New Year, bro.
Happy New Year, bro.
You missed it now.
It's okay. It's okay. It's there. It's there.
Like that, when I first actually started, I wanted for some Russian millionaire, something like that.
Ah.
It was a very, very big one, and really it looked very cool. I'm not sure, like, I think it was this way, so we might see it.
See the gold. The harbor bridge is over there. Harbor bridge.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think actually there is
Where?
because they look like.
सो गाइस हैप्पी न्यू ईयर एंड आज के लिए बस इतना ही. अगर आपको ये ब्लॉग अच्छा लगा रहेगा तो डू शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक माई ब्लॉग. बाय बाय, थैंक यू सो मच, बाय गाइस.